two things to look at on this one. The first one is what negative b over 2a is. That's going to give you the x value of the vertex. And so that would be negative 8 divided by 2 times negative 1. A lot of negatives going on here, but just be careful. I've got 8 over negative 2, which is negative 4. So the x value of the vertex is negative 4. So that excludes this option and this option because this is the point 3, negative 2. This is the point negative 3, negative 2. That leaves just option 2 and option 3. The last thing I want to look at is the fact that a is negative 1, which means that this parabola has to open down. And therefore, I have to be looking at option 3. Next one. Which function matches the graph? The vertex is the point 1, 4, and that is my h and k in my function that says y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So right away I have to find the one that says y equals something x minus 1 squared plus 4. So which is the one that says x is minus 1 plus 4? The only option is this one, so it has to be option 2. You can also make sure that that's true because this opens down, and so it has to be negative, so it's got to be one of those. This one has to be not it because that one opens up. Okay, what is the vertex of the parabola given by the function? So I'm going to use the calculation to get the x value. The x value is negative b over 2a. If a is 2 and b is negative 12, then I have to do negative 12 over 2 times 2. And so I get 12 over 4, which is 3. The only point that has the x value of positive 3 is this one. Next one, what is the y-intercept? I'm going to take 0. The y-intercept is 0, f of 0. So I'm going to put 0 in for x in both places. And I end up with 19. So the only option is 0, 19. Last problem says, what is the equation for the line of symmetry on the parabola? You can see that the line of symmetry is right there, because if you folded that parabola across that line, it would be on top of each other. So what is that line? Here's the thing. Vertical lines have to say x equals. If it said y equals, it would be a horizontal line, like that, or like that. And so we know that it can't be a horizontal line, so it's got to be not this one or not this one. Since we're in the negative side of the graph, it's got to be x is negative 4. There's your answers.